Friends, welcome back to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss preparation of alkanes. What is preparation of alkanes? Let us see. Preparation of alkanes. Preparation of alkanes. So today we are going to discuss preparation of alkanes. Let us see how alkanes can be prepared. Petroleum and natural gas are the main source of alkanes. There are other methods by that alkanes can be prepared. Let us see what is first method. First method is from unsaturated hydrocarbons from unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, first we will prepare. So unsaturated hydrocarbons, there is double bond or triple bond between two carbons. They are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons. So let us see some example. Unsaturated carbons like this are hydrogenation in presence of finely divided metal, either platinum, palladium or nickel, gives alkane. This is unsaturated and that is saturated or alkane. Okay, so what we can write, and this reaction is known as hydrogenation. So we can write unsaturated hydrocarbons are hydrogenation in presence of finely divided nickel metal, finely divided nickel metal give alkene. So we have taken one alkene. Now we are going to take another alkyne. So we can take like this. And it gives alkane. This may be nickel, platinum or palladium. We can take any catalyst we can take. So this is hydrogenation. Next is from alkyl halide. Next from alkyl halide. So in alkyl halide The reduction of alkyl halide, the reduction of alkyl halide in the presence of zinc and diluted HCl give alkane. Let us see. Harder reduction of alkyl halide in presence of zinc and diluted HCl gives alkane. Okay, here this is from alkyl halide. From alkyl halide means alkyl halide on reduction in the presence of zinc and diluted HCl gives alkane. Alkyl halide on reduction in the presence of zinc and diluted HCl gives alkane. Next is this is first method and second is Woods reaction. Woods reaction. Woods reaction. Alkyl halide with sodium in ethanol solution. In ethanol solution gets alkane. Gives alkane. Alkyl halide in ethanol solution. Alkyl halide with sodium in ethanol solution gives alkane. So these two methods are there. By that we prepare alkane from alkyl halide. Next is from carboxylic acid. Next is from carboxylic acid. Carboxylation are from first method that decarboxylation. 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 Okay. Decarboxylation. Sodium salt and carboxylic acid are heating with soda lime gives alkane. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid are heating with soda lime give alkane. What is soda lime? NaOH plus NaO 3:1. 3:1. Let us see. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid are reacting with soda lime. Are reacting with soda lime gives alkane. Plus Na2CO3. Na2CO3. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid are reacting with soda lime gives alkane. Here, if another molecule we are taking, just to say here and that was okay. This is by this we can prepare. So how we can define it? Sodium salt of carboxylic acid heating on heating with soda lime gives alkane. Here one point is remember, the alkane obtained is one carbon lesser than the carboxylic acid taken. Here two carbon carboxylic acid we have taken and there we got one carbon compound. Means always product is one carbon less than the parent carboxylic acid taken. Okay students, next and last method is that Kolbe electrolytic method. Kolbe electrolytic method. Next is Kolbe electrolytic method. Electrolytic method. Okay. So what is Kolbe electrolytic method? Kolbe electrolytic method, we will see that. One is that when an aqueous solution of sodium or potassium salt are electrolyzed, alkanes are obtained at anode and hydrogen on cathode. This reaction may be written like this. Electrolysis. Like this. Reaction can be shown like this. And mechanism on this one can be represented like this. Here, CS3, C double O. Okay, we can write 2s2 here, electrolysis. Electrolysis, it will form CS3 C double O plus N-. Okay, that is given by at anode and anode with 2 electrons and from this further our electron forms 2 CS3 CO2. This is free rate. Free rate. Okay. Next what happened? Next is that 2 free radical combine and form CS3. This is like this. Alkane is formed. At cathode, and free radical and these two hydrogen combine and gives hydrogen. So what we have seen here, we get alkane at anode and hydrogen at cathode. So these are the method for formation of alkanes. Okay, thank you so much students.